What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Loc'd In With Trey, and today is a special day. Can you guess what today is? I'll let y'all think about it for a minute. Have you guessed it yet? If you haven't guessed it, let me help you out. Today is wash day. I am washing my hair. It's been almost a month now, and I'm ready to get this stuff washed. Because one thing about going natural, not putting too many products in your head and all this stuff and just letting it do its thing, eventually all the buildup from sweat and dry scalp, if you have it. Some people don't have dry scalp because they keep it good and moisturized, but if you got dry scalp, you'll have that in your head. So hey, somebody like me who going natural, I gotta keep my hair washed anywhere from 2 weeks to a month. So hey, without further ado, stay tuned, stay locked. We're about to get this stuff washed. Drop it down in the comments and let me know the time frame you use to wash your hair. Like, is it every 2 weeks? Is it a month? Is it longer than that? If it's longer than that, that's crazy. That's crazy. But anyways, guys, let me know what's up, and we about to get this video popping, so stay tuned and stay locked.